Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lesson, looking at lesson number 28, 5 words of the day. Today's words are as follow: sacrifice, sehlabelo, 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 sehlabelo. Quarter to, kotara go ya go, 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 kotara go ya go. Disclosure: go utulla, go utulla, go utulla, go utulla, go utulla. Corruption: bomenetša, 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 bomenetša. Subscribe: ingwadiše, 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 ingwadiše. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020.